10 reasons in this video why you should probably start trading. The way the economy has been going, bills are getting higher, food is getting higher. It almost costs more to get grocery than it do to eat out. So it's like we're in very hard times, and that extra income could really help you, even if it's a extra $100 or $200. And another reason is job security. Like these trading helped me to learn that these companies will protect their bottom line, and one of the first expenses that they'll get rid of is employees. Like if they have to get rid of anything, it'll be employees. And something like that happened to me years ago. Well, before I started trading, right before I started trading, really they was cutting people off or laying people off, should I say. And luckily I ended up finding trading, and I had other hobbies that I was doing that was making me money, and I ended up being able to make money off of that. So when they laid me off, I was in a good position, and I didn't have to really worry as much because I had paid up for we were taking entrepreneurship real serious, so we had paid up all our bills for the year. So I was fortunate enough to have did that, to be able to dig deeper into trading and dedicate all of my time to it. Was like that's another reason, because no matter how hard you work for a company, you will never be as secure as you think you are. And let's say another reason is you don't want to, how I look at things, I don't want to be able to just make sure I'm straight. I want to make sure the people around me can be taken care of and can be straight. And I know with trading, it's very possible. Like if I learn how to trade and I teach the people around me how to trade, now we can feed ourselves. We don't have to worry about another person feeding us. Now we can go into the market and make our money. And it's a lot of different strategies that you can use, even if you still are working your job. You can long-term invest, you can swing trade, you can day trade, you can scalp, you can get in and get out. So it's like it's really no excuses. And the more and more that the dollar becomes less valuable, you will want to have some money put up that way, because it's definitely with inflation. Like inflation is eating away at our money. The dollar is becoming, less valuable. So let's say you got $100,000. In 10 to 20 years, that money is not going to be worth the same as it was 10 years ago. So it's like you have to keep making money and keeping streams of income coming in, and trading. You can go in the market and you can make money just like this. I'm not saying that it'll be easy, because the journey can be long. Like some people get in the market, in their first time in the market, they make a lot of money. Then you got some people, they have to grind and work for a long period of time, and then they start seeing fruits of the labor. It's like you want to be mindful of that, but it does pay off in the end if you have delayed gratification. Like trading really saved my life, because I feel like I was going down the wrong path. Not even just the wrong path, I'd say the path of the rat race, or like the common American, where you just go to work every day, you have enough money to pay the bills, but if you lose your job or you get sick or something, now you can't pay your bills and you end up getting evicted. It's like I see that happening for a lot of people, and I feel like it's my job to try to help people avoid that. So that's why I'm making this YouTube channel and trying to put it in front of other people, because I know I wish I would have had someone pushing me and telling me to trade. Because you got to think about the future. You can't think about where you're at now. You got to think about the future you, because you might be in an okay position right now, but is that what you see for yourself in 10 years? And once I figured out I was living in that rat race and what I was doing in life wasn't sustainable, I knew I had to change. And then I had a son, so I knew I had to provide for my son. Like I can't just look out for myself. Like I can't be like the past generations where they made us learn the exact same mistakes that they learned, like which when they could have prevented us from making the mistakes. So I want to be able to change that narrative and put my whole family, me, my wife, my son, my friends, my brother, my mother, put everybody into a position. And even if they can't do it themselves, they'll have me to do certain things for them or show them certain ways, even if it's just long-term investment, because everybody can long-term invest. It's a lot of reasons why you should be getting into the market sooner than later. And I see a lot of people going towards sports betting. It's like, and I'm okay with sports betting. I don't have a problem with it, but it's like if you don't have a problem sports betting, you shouldn't have any problem putting your money into the stock market where it has been proven that you can get a 10 to 20% return over time every almost every year. It's like it's been proven. So it's like, why not do that? But I guess it's people love the thrill of sports betting. It don't really be about the winning, but it's like, why just throw your money away? Because people put lots of money on parlays, and you hit one a year, and you just making the money back you spent, when you could be learning and putting your money in the market and multiplying it, 3x and it, 100x and it. It's like some crazy things can happen in the market to make you make a lot of money if you putting the time and the effort in. So I just want to motivate anybody I can who isn't trading and who is thinking about trading, give you some reasons why you should start trading.